Our light emitting diode is shining. Let's get building. Let us load our battery pack up and put it on about C5 to give us enough space. Now, we want our LED. Boom, 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 boom. And we need to have the plus going towards the plus, the positive to positive, because LEDs are one direction. They're one directional, unidirectional. The current can only flow one way. And then we need to have a resistor, because without a resistor, our 100 ohm R1 resistor, this omega, this funny Greek letter means ohms, which is the unit for resistance. It will block some of the electricity, because if we put it straight through our LED, it could be too much and damage it and burn it out. But of course, we want a way to turn our LED on and off. So let's put a switch to open and close our circuit so that we can get a working LED. Now many things have LEDs, and sometimes they blink and sometimes they're on there permanently. But let us get our button switch, our press switch with a little button on it. That lets us control our LED. Boop, 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 boop. So I hope you have fun with your new LED. Of course, you can switch out these components for some other fun components and experiment with your fan and your lamps. And so I will see you next time on Snap Circuits with Dr. Drew. That's Dr.Drew, Dr. Drew. Have fun building, and remember your free activity pages below. Bye.